little short video on doggy diapers. This kind here that we bought are for small male dogs, and these are Wegreeco doggy diapers. Work pretty good. Got elastic right here. Just folds around the dog. Put this over the private parts of the male dog. It's got an adjustment. You can adjust it to whatever size. And they're washable. Doesn't fit too tight. Just snug it up where you get your fingers all the way around, so it's not too tight on the dog. Very good price for these. Got these off of Amazon. Free shipping. And they're Wegreecos, as you can see. Pretty nice. All different colors, all different sizes, all the way up to large dogs. And these are as a doggy diaper review. Thank you for watching. To undo with one hand here, it's a little hard. And hold the camera up. As you can see the Velcro right here. And right here, you can lap it around to whatever size you want. And it fits pretty good.